So that does it records my voice, and then it also you'll be able to view this later.
Okay.
All right, so we're gonna go through it here and take a look at what you got going. All right, now I'd say your hand position here to start is too much in the center. You need to get more shaft lean. So in other words,
Press it a bit?
yeah, quite a bit. Because right now you're turning your 7-iron into a 9-iron as far as the loft goes.
Well, that's why I can't hit it farther than
I'd say it's a big reason. It's a big reason for sure. Okay, now we're getting up. Let's see. You might press it forward a little bit here as we go. Yeah, you don't. All right, you start out, and your first move here is kind of to pull it back instead of cock the wrist. So see, at this point right here, your shaft should already be there.
Okay, sure.
So we can get more wrist cock. So we still don't have any wrist cock. Now we're kind of getting some, but it's very late.
Mm-hmm.
And then the other thing you see, this is a big power loss here. Your arm is curved.
Mm-hmm.
Right? We want to have that thing extended because what we're trying to do is we're trying to make an arc, right? So right now your arc is about the size of that thing behind you and the screen here. And if your arm is extended, you'd be out there more. So the wider your arc is, the further you're going to hit it.
Okay.
And that's why taller guys usually can hit a little further than shorter guys. But
and I got short arms too.
you know, if you want to get it as much as you can, your arc to be as much as you can. But now take a look at that shaft.
Yeah.
All right. So all the from here on an iron, it should get to about there. So all this right here is just a complete waste of time
And loss of power.
Well, yeah, maybe.
Yeah.
But, you know, in your brain, I mean, and a lot of people think this way, is that's
further back.
going to make you hit it further, but it doesn't. It makes you actually probably hit it a little shorter, like you said, but it's, you don't, what I'm saying, it's a waste of time. It's just a waste of energy because you keep it a little bit, shorter. You know, you can hit it just as far, if not further. So we're going to work on that, definitely. All right, now coming back down. Now, you have some decent wrist cock at this point. Mm-hmm. You know, you've got, you're there and there, which is good.
Oh.
Now let's see what happens at impact, though. So you're at, 65 degrees, it says? Look at that shaft. Now you're at 0. So, at impact, you should at least be that, 28.
You mean okay.
So your left arm and your shaft are now a straight line. Back here, they were this. 65 degrees. So you want to at least still be at about 25 to 30 degrees at impact. So you've lost all your power. So if you look from here, so your club head travels all this space between your hands going here to here. Your hands are only going this far, and your club's going that far. So think of how fast your club head's moving at that point, but now it's gone. You lost, all the power's gone. So you're releasing your wrist cock early. So it's like you're hitting the ball. You're releasing all your power here, and then you get to the ball. So then it's powder puff because it's all gone.
Yeah. So I need to go.
We need to work on wrist cock and holding that through. I mean, you have good extension through. Your body action is pretty much what it should be. You can maybe work on your right knee. A little bit could flex a little bit more.
You mean my left?
No, right here.
Okay.
Yep. So that knee gets a little stiff, which is very common. Because like right now your right foot's kind of flat. It'd be good if like at impact there, if it was a little bit more, it was coming up a little bit more. So yeah, it's just dead flat to the ground. I mean, it should already start being like here. He's just hitting the ball. See his foot's coming up a little bit.
Right.
Okay, good. All right, so let's do that. We're gonna.